Hi, Jack. This is Mr. Cagle, and I'll be assessing your e-portfolio today for Mr. Solos' class. First of all, I'd like to say that I like the very beginning, your guide and lead others section with your Mimi and your video. I watched both of them. I thought they were great, and I like all the traits that you have down here. Very good job. I'm not sure what this Dominique guy is, but it's not you, and you need to take that out of there, please. Let's see, you like to play hockey. That's great. I'd like to see some more information about you. Maybe, do you have any brothers and sisters? Do you have any pets? Just a little bit more information, please. Your watery lessons on Earth. I like your drawing. It's difficult to draw with just a mouse. Your predictions are correct. Your observation is correct. Your reflection question on number 2, I noticed you missed the very last part of number 2. Where is water stored underground? And that would be aquifers. Remember, we covered that. Other than that, all the other answers were correct. Your lesson 6, pastimes, your pom-pom pull-away. I enjoyed watching that, and the picture that you have of the Alcove Spring field trip that you guys took. I enjoyed reading that. It was a very well-written, descriptive field trip report. I really enjoyed it, and this is very, very, very well written. A on that. Let's see. Now your next one is your watery earth, lessons 5. You're missing graphs 1 and 2, so you'll need to include those, but your numbers are solid. Right here, I would rewrite this up a little bit more. We could revise it and maybe not use the word off 3 times, but I'll go through there and help you out with that later. Your lesson 5, crossing the Kansas River. Yes, they did have to go through Yellowstone, and I enjoyed all of your facts. They're all based in natural science, which is great, except for the second one. I would take that one out. I would omit that one because it doesn't belong with the other ones. Your reflection is good, but you have all these great facts up here, Jack, and I would like to see them in your reflection statement. So let's revise that, and I'll get together with you on that as well. Lesson 3, what pioneers took with them on the Oregon Trail. I like the picture of the covered wagon. That's what they used. This will need to go through a little bit. You've got some misspelling, and at the very end, I would leave that last sentence out. So we'll go through that a little later. Your science fair, I understand why you were absent. Your mom spoke to me about it. So we worked together and we improved it, and I like that you're more confident about your project, and never be embarrassed about your work. And yes, this is true. In science, we definitely make some mistakes along the way, but that's how we learn from them. And also, I like the last statement. You would use more cheese? That would be a good scientific method. You would definitely use more things to try to solve the problem. That's very scientific thinking. Yes, very good. Your Oregon Trail, lesson 3, I would have added maybe 2 other predators, which would have been maybe bears and mountain lions. They would have run across those. And I would like you to not enlarge these 2 points here that you're trying to get across. If you want to get your point across, you could italicize those, and I'll show you how to italicize those there. I noticed that you had some capitalization in some parts of it, and you'll need to correct those. And right here, I believe this part is where you are starting a new section on badgers. So that from right here needs to go down here. And all of your facts here are very well thought out. And as far as your Arbor Day tree census, I would like to see some pictures. But other than that, I think you did a great job, and I would give you a solid B.